Viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete contacts from Google account in Android phone. Now be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake. Now first of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then you will scroll down. Just scroll down and look for Google. Now Google is right here, just click on it. Then click on manage your Google account. Then you will scroll on those top options. Just swipe on your left and click on people and sharing. Then you will be able to see all your contacts. Now click on contacts. Then you can select one contact and you can select the contacts that you want to delete by tapping on the icon on the left, or if you want to delete all the contacts, you can just click on that arrow next to selected and then click all. Then click on those three dots on the right, then click delete. Now if you really want to delete your contacts, just click move to the bin and all your contacts will be deleted. And if you want to select your contact manually, you will just select the contacts that you want to delete one by one. Like that. And then click on those three dots, then click delete. Then if you really want to delete them, then click move to the bin and the contacts will be deleted. Guys, that's how you can easily delete contacts from Google account in Android. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.